Okay, this is the NKV 330 ventilator. You'll see this on J10 at St James's and CCU at LGI. This is it in standby mode. You'll see what mode the ventilator's on with the settings at the bottom. And once we switch it on, you'll see some of the measured values on this left-hand side. The on-off button is this one here, and then this dial will allow you to change settings and select. So the modes we have are SPONT PS, which is actually CPAP. So there'll be a CPAP setting set here. If you wanted to change that, you can click and just dial and then select. The oxygen will be set. The pressure support will be set to 0 so that it's just doing CPAP. ST is the spontaneous timed mode, which we'll use for BiPAP. So there'll be an EPAP set and an IPAP. Again, to change those, you can select. You can either use the arrows or use the dial. There'll also be the FiO2, the respiratory rate and the inspiratory time. PRVC is a mode that we'll only use in an emergency to ventilate somebody, so you're unlikely to see that. And O2 therapy is for high flow, so you have a flow rate and FiO2. So if we switch on in ST, okay, along this side you'll see values of the peak inspiratory pressure, minute volume, tidal volume, respiratory rate and the leak. The leak should be around 20 to 50 litres so that you're not putting the mask on too tight. The settings are on the bottom here. A button that might be useful to us is the elevated O2, which will give an increased FiO2 for a treatment. And then the standby button is here to switch off if you were going in to do a treatment.